Okay friends, we are going to make lazy lasagna. You can find this in From Healthy Mama Cookbook. It's on page 140. And I'm going to show you guys how quick it is to throw together. I got out all my supplies. I've already pre-ground my beef. This took from frozen less than 18 minutes in my steamer, so I got to do other things while that was cooking. Now we're just going to add all of the wet ingredients to the meat sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and add, I used the Walmart pizza sauce. We're gonna dump that in. And then we will measure our, I'm making a mess. We'll measure our dry ingredients. Okay, so we need salt. I'm just gonna, whoa, eggs. They were about to roll right off. Okay, I'm gonna measure that. Salt, so I just used Himalayan salt. And then some garlic. And what do we need? Okay. Dump that in. Seriously guys, it doesn't have to be complicated. Oregano, how much? I don't know, I can't see. Okay, got it. Actually, it's quite a bit of oregano, yes. Okay, so there we go, oregano. My family, some of them like spicy, some of them don't, so I'm just gonna put a little tiny sprinkle of cayenne. That's it. Then I'm going to use my 3 onion. Love this stuff, and so we need a little bit of that. That's done. Okay. Then this we will just mix together like so. Oh, you know what I forgot? My stevia. This is my Trim Healthy Mama stevia. I just keep it in a little jar with a donker right in here. It's all covered. So I'll put my stevia in. I better check the quantity on this. Yep, okay. Good. Stevia. I do like it. The stevia is optional. I like the flavor with it. So mix that. Look at this. Ta-da! All right. Now we are going to make the layered sauce next. All right, so behind the scenes here, I did not have cream cheese, but I also am trying to kind of lighten some things up. There's a fuzzy. So I threw in light Laughing Cow cheese for cream cheese. Why not? And one of these is 6 ounces, so you could just do 1 plus like 2 wedges. So just pull out a couple of these. I put like 8 of these in. So I'll put 1 more. It needs 1 more. Then it'll be right. Okay. And then, have a little sample. So yummy. Now, it calls for cottage cheese. If you get the giant tub, I'm telling you, I do more math than I've ever done before in Trim Healthy Mama, so my brain is sharp. I am going to measure out, it needs 14 ounces, but I buy the big tub from Costco. So 8 ounces is a cup, right? But it's slightly less than 2, so I'm just gonna eyeball it, call it good. Done, 14 ounces. And if you don't have it perfect, it doesn't have to be perfect. So now so we have a light Laughing Cow cheese in here, changing it up. Oh man, did you guys see that? Hello, that was crazy. Almost just, I think there's eggshell in here. Yep, I got it. I saved it. Okay, I'm gonna put 1 more egg in there. Then we're gonna blend this really fast. So, okay, excuse me, I'm still here. Just blending over here. Maybe. Okay, that was it. See? Just showing you guys really how long this takes. Not long. Look how perfectly that blended up with the light Laughing Cow cheese. I'm excited about that. Now, we are gonna layer it, and then we're gonna stick it in the oven at 350. So, where's my pan? Here we go. I made a mess, you guys. I'm just making a mess everywhere. I have like eggshell juice because it out spilled right into mine. Okay, cool. Here we go. So we're gonna put our meat sauce on the bottom. You guys can see what I'm doing. Meat sauce. Da, da, da. And then I'm gonna show you guys a trick. I'm telling you, you can make this quick. Get it in the oven and go do what you need to do. So layer one. Then we're going to pour on our Okay, see, I also want to show you something. My husband does not like sauce. No bueno. So I leave a little edge for him, no sauce, which is fine. Then we will add, do I put that first? Boy, spinach. Okay, hot tip, just put it straight in. Seriously, this is the Costco pack. I don't cook this. I just put it straight in. You can chop it if you want, but it's gonna wilt down. Give a nice good layer. Look at that. I'm gonna get my veggies in. Okay, then I got this big giant bag of cheese. I need to cut open. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some cheese on top. We got this for free from our church. Thank you, Grace Fellowship. So we are gonna put this on. That looks good. So layer one and done. Look at that. Now, next layer. Next layer. Da, da, da. And I'm gonna save enough for one more layer after this. Yes, I am. Okay. That looks good. Look at that. Oh, golden. Okay, now just not to forget what side I put the sauce on because I've done that before. All right, sauce. What do we now? Spinach. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Then we're gonna add cheese. My husband does like cheese, so he can have that. And then we will add the last layer. So we're down to the last of this. Look at this, you guys, so easy. Does not have to be complicated. You make it as easy or as hard as you want. Trust me, I know, I've done it all. Okay, so now we will add the last layer of sauce. Dun, 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 dun. And then cheese. Now, last thing we're gonna do is put some Parmesan cheese on here. Then we're gonna stick it in the oven. So sprinkle with some parm, sprinkle with some parm, bum, bum, bum. Okay, done. Into the oven it goes at 350. And I forgot how long, so I should probably check. Let's see, how long does this go in? It's in already, so it's going. Oh, 40 minutes. So, set that. Okay, we're good. All right, so we'll be back in 40 minutes to see the end results. Okay, friends, we are ready to cut. Ooh, I should not touch that. Whew, almost burnt myself. We're going to cut this and serve it. And then it's time to eat. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, looks so good. Okay. Now, I think I'm gonna grab a hot pad behind me. And then we'll put this on a plate. Oh, yes. Look at that goodness. Ooh, it's dripping everywhere. You see that? Now, what are you gonna serve this with? A side salad. Look how easy. Just get a bag salad for my DTS. Otherwise, you can just get some romaine and cut it up. Ta-da! Whoa, that's a big salad right there. Now, all you have to do, I made up some of Rashida's raspberry vinaigrettes. So put that on. And dinner is done. That's it. As I fling it everywhere. Well, let's taste it. Always gotta taste what we're eating. Doesn't that look good, guys? So let's see here. You wanna say hi? Okay. It might be still hot. It's pretty good. Mmm. Mm-mm. I'm burning my mouth a little. It's very good. And you know what? Remember what we put in here? Light laughing cow cheese. No one knows. And it tastes just as good, and we lightened up the fat. And notice how I used a vinaigrette on the side instead of another heavy S dressing. Just another way to lighten things up. You can definitely use a ranch if you want, but if you're looking for a little bit lighter version, this is gonna be your friend. All right, I hope that was super helpful. Now go make the lazy lasagna for dinner. It is so good. Oh, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what do they need to do? Smash that like, hit the bell, and what? Oh, subscribe. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you want me to cook something else for you. I'm here to help you guys. All right, have a great day.